With discounts, you can convince participants with attractive promotions. Atleta's discount feature is very versatile. You can go in all directions with it. Let me show you how. Go to the Discounts tab within your event. Press the Add Discount button. Enter a name, for example, Early Bird or Summer Discount. Choose a percentage or a fixed amount. You can add a volume discount by entering a multiple of 1. This way, you reward groups that register with many participants. Also ideal for your business team promotions. Then you add a start and end date of the discount promotion. With coupons, you create unique codes that you can send to participants or groups. Press the Add Coupon button and enter a code you want to share. Fill in a value and a start and end time. You can also indicate how often the coupon code is valid. If you want to generate several unique codes at once, that's possible. Press the Generate button and choose a number. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.